Bakit po Lola Helen? Ang ambush talaga tayo.
Sorry, nang-ambush na po kami.
Oh my God,
So this is how busy the kitchen is. Like,
Gusto mo makita?
yung ano pa?
Yung selected namin. Binigay na.
Ay, andun na! Kulin, kulin! Andito na raw yung trophy. Yay! Nice!
Oh my God!
This one is with sarsa.
Yeah. Saucy siya.
You can choose to have the dry one eh. In Marikina, the city of craftsmanship and quiet pride, stands a pansiteria that has served comfort and connection for over 2 decades. Humble, honest, and now Michelin recognized. This is Lola Helen's Pansiteria, proof that greatness doesn't always come from grandeur, but from heart. Generous portions, fair prices, and a constant favorite among locals.
Ay, bakit nagkakulaan? Ay, sorry, vlogger.
Every journey begins with curiosity and ends with something we didn't expect to find. I'm Eli Valendes, and in every city I visit, I try to listen, not just to the noise, but to the heartbeat that keeps it alive. Welcome to Lola Helen's Pansiteria in Marikina. Ano po? Pwede lang ako pwede mo mag-take sa ano?
Sunod na kami ng ano. Kanina vlog na.
Ang dami.
Una, ano kayo siya?
Oh, nag-i-English sa kayo?
Kasi publish kape. Tapos ngayon, maganda sa
Ay, ang dami.
nag-iimbita na maglalaro.
Oh! The best log, we're waiting for Colleen. Medyo mahaba yung pila at pinadumog na raw sila ngayon ng mga TV stations, the picture nila. So I think we are 5th na today na shoot. Step inside and you'll find what many Mariqueños already know. Food that feels like coming home. They've been here for almost 25 years and locals will tell you this is where you go when you crave that classic pancit fix. Lagi po kayo dito?
Minsan lang.
Minsan lang? Gaano kadalas yung minsan?
Minsan sa isang linggo, dalawa.
Dalawang beses. Anong favorite niyo po?
Bihog lechon.
Bihog lechon. Taga Marikina pa rin.
Sa loob lang ng palengke.
Ano pong name?
Hailey.
Ellie po. Para lang sa vlog. Alam niyo naman na awarded siya ng Michelin. And it's the only awarded restaurant in Marikina. Thank you! Lola Helen is the 6th and the last humble restaurant in our Michelin on a Budget series. The 6 restaurants are the most affordable restaurants in the list of 108 restaurants recognized by Michelin during its inaugural awards in the Philippines. Make sure to click our other episodes featuring the other 5 restaurants in the link in the description below.
Welcome to the Philippines!
Yes!
We have our
Fresh from Chiang Mai.
Chiang Mai and Bangkok.
In Bangkok.
Oo, grabe. Fresh from the Lantern Festival ka.
Yun guys, hindi kami makakapagkain kasi puro kami chikahan.
Pero syempre, support your own. Kailangan
Yes.
kung nagmi-Michelin sa ibang bansa, dapat nagmi-Michelin din sa
Correct. 1 year yata sa nag-ikot eh.
Sarap mo kasi ito talaga. Malasa.
And this one is with sarsa.
Yeah. Saucy siya.
You can choose to have the dry one eh. Ice.
Opo.
Sige.
Saucy siya. Saka ang lambot ng ano. Ay, masarap siya. Sobrang malasa ng pancit na. Diba? This is their local okoy. Kamaron, tempura, whatever. Ito pareho lang. Tempura lang siya. But it's the sauce.
Tapos kamaran ko siya.
Masarap yung sauce niya. Hi Ellie's vlog. I'm finally here with you in Manila. Oh my God!
I've been planning for the collab, di ba? For how many...
Pero, nagkikita kami sa Bangkok. Ngayon lang kami nagkita ng ganito sa Manila. Oo nga, kasi huling gala natin nasa Bangkok tayo. Nag-isang kagala tayo sa Manila. Ganun po talaga si Colin Perez, basta usapang pagkain tayo pagkata. Na-realize ko, sobrang ano ko pala, no? Pili ko sa pagkain, kasi isang tawag lang ni Ellie, nandito na ako. Hindi, pero kasi dapat mag-meet talaga tayo before ako umalis. Kasi na-busy na na sobrang. Parang alam mo yung meatballs na ginagawa pag family dinner, yung homemade talaga na meatball. Gusto ko siya. Gusto ko siya. Meatballs. Walang siya eh.
Oh, kasi hindi na balls.
Mahilig kasi si Ellie
Sa balls. So this one is meat and balls. So meatballs, I'm sure I'm gonna like it.
It's sweet and sour sauce. Pero yung lasa niya, alam mo yung homemade na sweet and sour, hindi yung umami sweet and sour. Yung literal na from scratch.
Yung hindi maraming bitchin.
Hindi ma-betchin siya na sweet and sour. Hindi ako mahilig sa pansit ah. Nalagustuhan ko yung pansit. Ito yung parang bahay din. Diba? Diba? Yung bahay na sweet and sour. Meatballs ng lola ko, ganito lasa.
Kala ko hindi na masarap kasi lumalang.
Hindi masarap siya.
Okay lang.
Actually, that's what makes it Filipino. That's what makes it Filipino. Iba siya dun sa, ang meatballs kasi ng Pilipino, ito yung ano eh, kung mahilig ka magluto, ano siya, ketchup and suka. So, tapos lagyan mo ng konting aso-asukal. It's that mix. That makes yung local na sweet and sour. Hindi siya yung mabetchin na sweet and sour ng ano. Sarap. Sarap ng meatballs, man.
In a scale of 1 to 10. Meatball.
Of locally made food kasi siya. When we grade Michelin, kailangan very local. Hindi siya fancy eh. For me, 10. Kasi gusto ko yung lasa niya. Na home
Parang nahuli yung...
Kasi yun yung vibe ng buong pansiteria. Home cooked meal.
Nahuli
ka. Hindi siya yung lasang commercialized. Hindi rin siya yung lasang Chinese restaurant. Hindi siya yung lasang fast food. Lasang bahay na bahay. Yun yung Pinoy. So alam niyo na kung anong mas masarap din sa pambansang pang-meeting. Di ba ha?
Every meeting there's pancit.
At saka may laging brand na inaano ng pancit. Ngayon, alam nila kung masarap na pancit.
And also, staple din sa atin yung pancit talaga. Like everyone, di ba? Birthday, laging may pancit.
Feeling ko kasi yung texture ng pagkakalo ng pancit. Lambot eh.
Thank you po.
Ano po si Lola Hel?
Ang Lola Hel, actually, ang pangalan, ang may-ari talaga yun. Kaya na pinangalan niya ito.
Sa actor kay Lola niya. Pero 4-9 lang. Parang nakapagsapa ka na.
Yeah.
May
Yeah. Pero hindi ako nakapaglibot kasi umulan. And I like the meatballs so much na mauubos ko na siya. Nakailan kaya ata ako? Nakailan ka ba?
hindi ko nabilang. Pero pinag-alternate ka siya kasi masarap din yun. Iba yung lasa ng sauce nito sa sauce nito eh. Ito medyo peppery. Peppery yung sweet and sour niya. Ito sweet and sour talaga. Masarap siya pag may sauce. Do not underestimate the pagka-flour. I-dip nyo siya sa pag-swimmingin nyo siya dun sa sauce.
That's it. So, ako what I like about having a panciteria as part of the Michelin is kasi stable talaga siya ng Filipino table yung pancit, and whenever there's pancit, there's a celebration. Diba? Kasi yung haba ng pancit, diba, it's being associated
Galing ka sa
having long life.
Chinese influence kasi. Nag-birthday ka, dapat pancit para long life. Pag wala, short life. Sino po si Lola Hen?
Yung...
Lola niya. Biyanan mo yun, biyanan.
Lola niya si Lola Helen. Bakit po Lola Helen? Ang ambush talaga tayo.
Sorry, nang-aambush siya po.
Ano yan? Kasi siya yung may-ari ng property na to. Pinangalan namin sa kanya yung...
Ganda nila. Kasi lang years na po.
25 years na.
Pang order.
Pagka marami, dalawa na yun ang order. Nilandagdagan.
There's nothing pretentious here. Just honest. Filipino, Chinese, stir-fried noodles. Bihon, canton, or both. Cooked the way our lolas would do it. Moist, flavorful, and comforting. So medyo nakikigulo lang kami sa kitchen with Colleen.
Buttered chicken.
Buttered chicken.
Siya. And then yung pancit. And this is Ellie. Ito yung shot.
Yung mga customer,
Siguro 30%, 40%.
40% additional.
Gusto mo makita?
Yung ano pa?
Yung selected namin. Binigay na.
Ay, andun na! Kulin! Andito na raw yung trophy. Congratulations! Ang galing!
Galing, congratulations! Michelin selected.
Oh, grabe. Ay, isa lang kayo sa Marikina, no? Wow, grabe yun. Galing. Salamat po ulit. Congrats!
Ang swerte namin, kaka-unbox lang ng trophy!
Correct. In Filipino culture, pancit isn't just food. It's a symbol of long life, prosperity, and good health. During birthdays, there's always pancit on the table. It's a belief that traces back to our Chinese roots. Long noodles, long life. But beyond birthdays, it's a reminder that every day is worth celebrating. Because sometimes, even the smallest moments, the quiet lunches, the shared laughter, deserve a plate of pancit. Here in Marikina, known for its artistry and order, even a simple meal like this reflects who the people are. Diligent, heartfelt, consistent. Lola Helen's Panciteria may not look like much from the outside, but step in and you'll taste decades of tradition, seasoned with care. It's beautiful, really, how something as simple as pancit can carry so much meaning. It's food that connects generations, the kind that feeds both hunger and memory. Recognition from the Michelin Guide is a big thing, but what makes it special here is that nothing changed. The prices remain fair, the servings generous, the warmth the same. And that's the real triumph of Lola Helen's Pansiteria. To be seen not for what it tries to be, but for what it has always been. Because sometimes, culinary excellence isn't about innovation. It's about preservation. I'm Eli Valendes, and this is Michelin on a Budget. Until next time, keep discovering the heart behind every meal. Yan, we're done na dito sa Lola Helen.
Deserve ng pansit ang Michelin star at saka ng meatball.
Yun!
Oh, deserve ng deserve ng pansit at saka talaga yung meatball yung Michelin star. Strictly Filipino manage your expectations. Baka hanapin yung pang Chinese na sweet and sour, no.
This is a
the
Filipino
very
flavor.
Filipino. Maaalala mo yung lola mo.
Correct. Kaya nga Lola Helen.
Kaya